Hello, everyone. This is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience, and this is Resilience Time. It's time to get ready for a healthy dose of brain rest. You need brain rest to support your DIY self-care plan. About 17 minutes of rest for every 52 minutes you work for optimum performance. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to be notified of new DIY resilience tips, trainings, updates, and live events. Now, I invite you to lay down or sit comfortably and take up as much space as possible. Send a message to your brain that you matter. Close your eyes or focus on your screen and breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Invite your body and mind to connect with whatever is supporting, caressing, uplifting, or holding it with stability. Observe. Is it at peace? You might inquire, what is the nature of peace? Does a person, place, or thing that is at peace require anything? Or do they simply share strength and bless others with equanimity? Does someone or something at peace hoard or lord their gift over others? Are you experiencing peace in this moment and this? Peace can be experienced by anyone, anywhere, anytime. Is peace determined by external experiences and circumstances? Is it not true that peace, like happiness, is always available freely to anyone who would open heart and wise eyes to it? Peace can be experienced in the midst of chaos, in silence, in isolation, in pain, in torment, in fear, in prison, in an open field, in a grocery store, with loved ones and with apparent foes. How is this possible? Peace is what flows from an accepting heart and a mind that allows it. When reality and truth become understood fully and without fear, then one moves with peace that can meet any moment and claim victory. Are you allowing and accepting truth, reality, and peace right now? What will you do when you return to walk among the other beings in your life to cultivate peace? You may invite yourself to move all obstacles to peace, to see clearly, to redirect intense emotion to a place where it is understood and accepted, to replace fear with certainty that you will meet each moment with renewed energy, floating in your zone where you can breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now you can deepen your brain rest into a deeper natural contemplation, or get back to the rest of your day. Remember to stop and label emotions, look and define them, then go and return to rest as soon as possible. Breathe and be DIY resilient as you creatively resolve all your daily challenges, big and small, with your support team. After all, no one does resilience alone. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, isolated, and in need of a fresh start, join our private Resilient Connection group. The link is in the video description below. I'll see you in the room.